Hey guys, it's Millie with Crafting in My PJs. Welcome to my channel. Well, if you saw my last video, you know that we were doing some fall crafts. And my intention was for all of these fall crafts to be put together. Well, the video got too long, so I did cut the last craft out and I've made it into a separate video. So hopefully you will enjoy this ending to our fall craft bonanza. All right, so if you're a returning friend, welcome. If you were a new friend, thank you for joining us. This is Crafting in My PJs, and we do crafts that are fun, quick, easy. Anybody can do, doesn't matter. No artistic talent required. That's a must. All you need is coffee, which I don't even have, and a glue gun, and that's it. All right, so let's get down to the table and we will get started on our pumpkin craft. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to be using for this craft is this wooden pumpkin. Now this particular one did not come from Dollar Tree. It came from Dirt Cheap. It says $10. It was not $10. I'm almost positive it was $2. But you can get these everywhere. You can get pumpkins at Dollar Tree, and you can also usually get them at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, any place like that, Joann's, and they're all running sales right now. I really like this one because look how thick that is. Oh my gosh. So it will stand up without a stand. We are not going to hang it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this so that we have it ready for our craft. All right, our pumpkin is painted and I think dry for the most part. Watch, it's going to leave paint on my mat. I did both sides. Oh, it is still wet. I still feel wet, but that's okay. We're going to handle that. All right, now the only thing I did not paint was the very bottom because it was standing up, and I will paint that, but I really want to get to decorating this to show y'all what it's going to look like, because at this point I really don't know. So we're just going to have to get going on this. All right, I'm going to show you what I have. So first off, I have these stickers. I have these stickers or stencils, you can use them either way, from Dollar Tree. Oh my gourd, that's so franken cute. And another one says, if you've got it, haunt it, and hey, beautiful. Oh, and booyah. All right, so they seem to have a very Halloween theme, because, you know, they are Halloween. Except for, oh my gourd, I think I've used that already. I used it on my stacking pumpkins, but this will be in a different room, so I think it'll be okay if I use that. And you'll see where my thought process is going in a minute. All right, so I have some Halloween bows. I have some fall bows. You know, bow and paired, so if I find them, I buy them. I have some different decorations, Halloween type. That's all I have left from that. I used it on a junk journal. I have some witches' hats right here. These things really need to be glued down. Oh, look at this one. This one, oh, it's still there. Yeah, they need to be like reinforced because they come undone. So you need to be careful with those. I do have some pipe cleaners for a particular reason. What else did I have? I guess maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. I have some ribbon. I have a bunch of fall flowers that were in my stash. And I have some green and some orange. I don't know, mesh. There you go, mesh. All from Dollar Tree. Everything from Dollar Tree except for my poor pumpkin. All right, so my thought is decorate one side for Halloween and decorate one side for fall. So like my stacking pumpkins, I can just rotate them for the season. So before we get to decorating, let's decide what lettering are we going to put on, because since I have these, I'm using them. Now, Oh My Gourd is the only one that is not Halloween specific. So let's, oh, this one, is this one empty? No. That's so franken cute. See, that's kind of big for that. Oh, that's all. So I used one of those in there. That was probably on the stacking pumpkin. All right, and here's Oh My Gourd here. I have 3 packs of these. I don't know why I went so overboard. My goal is not to purchase what I'm not going to use, to only purchase what I'm going to use. All right, so Oh My Gourd. Oh My Gourd, but not the cute. Oh My Gourd, and I think that's exactly how it's going to go. So now you can use this either as vinyl, or you can use it as a stencil. So if you want it as a stencil, you take out your insides and then you adhere and then you paint with whatever color. If you're going to use it as a vinyl piece, then you take away your back if you can. Where am I? There they go. All right, take away, carefully peel back your back. There you go. That was quick, fairly painless. Pull out your middles if you have any left. All right, now all of that could have been saved, but it's too hard. Once you start pulling, I find it really hard to save any of that. All right, now what I'm going to do is find some either clear contact paper, or you can use, I don't know what I did with my clear, I just saw it. Or you can use clear tape too. And you just put it over the words like that. There you go. Now clear contact paper is one of those crafting tools that I get regularly from Dollar Tree. It comes in handy for so many different things when you can find it. Now I know where it is. It's in the vinyl stuff. It's over by my Cricut. All right, so it's stuck on the back of the, and I'm just going to place it here. I'm going to place it a little down, like not completely center, because we're going to put some decoration here. I'm not hanging this, so I want to cover up my holes. So either the bow, or I was thinking maybe something with the mesh. For the fall side, I think the flowers would be, and greenery would be pretty. All right, so let me concentrate and peel. All right, there you go. The tape was very sticky. I would put it on your clothing and pull it off before I do it again. It was a little too sticky, but that's okay. We got through it all right. Everything is settling in. All right, so now what should we do on the other side? Let's see. How about Hey Beautiful? Let's see how big that one is. Let's open up. Oh yeah. Hey Beautiful. Hey Beautiful. There you go. It's upside down though. All right, let's see if we can just do this one without transfer. Let's just get it in the right place without transfer tape. There we go. All right, I didn't mention when I painted everything one coat of orange. I liked the wood showing through. Just took some greens. Remember I told you no artistic talent. Took some green dry brush and just made C's on either side. 4 C's. Well, yeah, 4 C's. 2 forward and too backward. And then it came with some yellow too. As far as the stem, I dry brushed right there. I didn't really care how it went. And no artistic talent, but it looks okay. All right, so we are all transferred. Let's start with the Halloween side. Okay, so I have just like that, yeah. And then we can take a spider and put it right here. Now, do you think we should take some of this mesh? Okay, we might do a layer. Yes. Just need a piece of that. There we go. And we're going to wrap around, straighten out those stems. We're going to glue that right there. And then our bow will go on top. I kind of like that. I think it gives it a little bit more color. So let's get that glue gun out and let's glue that on. Ow. And we're going to put our bow on top. And then our spider, which is going to go right there, and it'll cover that hole. Let's see how I'm going to do this, because it's got to... Oh, Peanut wants to come in. But the problem is, Peanut does not want to come in. Peanut just wants me to open the door. And then once I open the door, he runs the other way. And it drives me crazy, because he's more than welcome to come in while we craft. You know, stay on there, like that. This I'm going to have to glue more. That's okay. Oh, nope, let's do it now. All right. Kind of like this. All right, let's trim. Kind of like, you know, oops, let's trim better. Kind of like, I don't know, like a collar. I'm going to trim some of this off. So you really only need half of the width. There, just like that. Okay. There we go. Let that set. Yeah, like that. Okay, yeah. There's the option, the flowers. So I do have these small ones. Let's see. Kind of like, oh, yeah. Kind of like that. Wait, it's stuck to my finger. There. I think we're going to need something at the top, because I'm looking at it this way. Not really. Not really. It all fills in. Okay, I am going to add a little bit more glue, a little more glue. So there is our fall side, and there is the Halloween side. Well, guys, that is it for our Fall Bonanza today of crafts. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget those likes and subscribes. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.